Harry Potter, more like Money Potter. Wizard of Oz, more like Wizard of Mars. Get it? Because in German we also say Mars when we talk about money. Today we'll learn about the most fundamental tool of investing, the magic triangle. So stay tuned. What's up everyone? Welcome to a new video of PerFinEx, the #1 financial planner for expats living in Germany. Today is lesson 2 of our 9-part course about investing in Germany, and every lesson is designed to make you a true investing expert. By the end of this lesson, we will all be financial wizards. So let's get going. At the end of the last lesson, I asked you this quiz question. Do you know the answer? It was hidden when I introduced my friends Amanda and Steve to you. And the answer is C. A smart investor only focuses on what he or she can control. So don't worry about the ups of the market, yeah, or the inevitable downs of the market, or that you should have started earlier like Steve. These things are out of your control now. So stop thinking about it. It's only negative energy. In the last lesson we covered that Amanda feels totally overwhelmed with starting investing. And I get it. There's just so many options. Like the one Steve's friends told him they are having a good feeling about. On a product level, we have cash, real estate, stocks that you can invest in or day trade, mutual funds, savings accounts, commodities like gold or oil, bonds, index funds, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you know some of these already, you also know that they are all interesting and maybe useful products. We don't know yet, it's too early to tell. What we probably do know is that all of these asset classes I just mentioned have different characteristics and behaviors, and we will discuss these in the future lessons to come. Different does not mean that one asset class is generally better than the other. And just because one asset class or one investment product is good for me doesn't necessarily mean it's good for you as well, and vice versa. So the question is always, which one is the right asset class for you and in which percentage of your overall investments? The right distribution depends on the goals you have. Do you want to buy a house for your family or as an investment and rent it out to somebody else, or a car, a fancy one, or just something that gets you from A to B? Because at the end of the day, we use investing only as a method to help you reach your goals in life. Investing is not an end in itself, and you shouldn't see it that way. So, to put these asset classes in order, we use the so-called magic triangle of investing to break them down into categories based on the investment goals they cater to. A triangle has 3 corners. So far, there's not that much magic involved. The magic comes from the fact that these 3 corners are competing with each other, and investors need to decide which goal is most important for them, as it is impossible to achieve all 3 at once. If you value one corner more than the others, you have to accept that at least one of the other 2 corners will be of lesser importance. The lower corners are called safety and availability. So if you're saying that safety and availability is important to you, then we move away from the upper corner, which is called return. Now, to be fair, if you have the expectation of getting something, in this case safety and availability, then you must be also willing to give something in return. In this case, return. You simply cannot expect to get something for free. Or in the words of Nobel Prize winning economist Milton Friedman, there's no such thing as a free lunch. With the help of the magic triangle, you can have a clear view of your most important investing goals. This helps Amanda with her feeling of being overwhelmed, and hopefully it helps you too. Are you feeling underwhelmed now? With the help of the magic triangle, Amanda knows two things now. First, it's not about saying I'll buy this or I'll buy that. Rather, she should make sure that the sum of her investments, whatever that may be, are positioning her in all three corners according to her individual mentality. Because all of the investment goals make sense. The question is just in which relation to each other. So Amanda is thinking now, how much return do I really want, and how far am I letting go of safety for that? How much safety do I really need? Is it possible that I need my investment soon? The next lessons will help you and Amanda answer these questions. And second, Amanda knows to be suspicious if someone offers her all three goals at the same time, because, let me repeat, no single investment can offer high return, high safety, and high availability. So, if someone lies straight to your face and pretends to offer this, slowly grab all your money and then run away as fast as you can. Our boy Steve, on the other hand, didn't pay attention this lesson and still believes there's a general best investment for everybody. That's why he listens to his friends and random people on the internet when they religiously defend the investment product of their choice that they are having a good feeling about. When bitcoins rise to 500,000, I'll be richer than Jeff Bezos. Really? One more time. Be like Amanda, not like Steve. Before we wrap up today's lesson, let me ask you today's quiz question. What is not an investment goal in the magic triangle? Is it A, like availability, B, equity, or C, return? Let me know your guess in the comments and I'll give you the answer next week. In next week's lesson, we start breaking each side of the magic triangle down and take a look at the underlying products. What do you think is on the safety and availability side? Let me know, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.